I scroll through many, and I mean many YouTube videos that reveal their earnings from YouTube, and some are insane. This video alone generated over $10,000 in the span of 1 month. This vlog channel with only 7,000 subscribers generates around $3,600 a month. Even smaller channels with 2,000 subscribers can make upwards of $218 for every 1,000 views. But keep in mind, it depends on your niche and how much advertisers are willing to pay to have your audience's attention. So this brings me to my first topic, the highest paid niches on YouTube, ranging from a 13.52 CPM average with making money online niche all the way to $1.40 in the gaming niche. Keep in mind that these are just averages, as there are sub-niches that can make significantly higher amounts for every 1,000 views. For example, affiliate marketing, which is a sub-niche of making money online, can average $23 for 1,000 views. The small channel example that was shared earlier with an insane CPM of 218 is in the e-commerce business building space, which is extremely high paying. With that said, pick your niche carefully. While the niche is a big piece of the CPM or how much advertisers are willing to pay, audience demographics influence that amount as well. The more the audience is capable of spending, the higher advertisers are willing to spend. Oh wait, speaking of spending, there are 3 ways to go about creating a YouTube video for passive income. You can either spend time or money, or both. For individuals that have a lot of time, it may make a lot of sense to spend a couple of bucks on an editing platform such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro and leverage YouTube as a free resource to start learning how to edit and create super engaging content. If you don't have a lot of time but have some capital, then you might be able to automate using sources other than yourself. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have thousands of freelancers that have listing for all aspects of the video creation process: voiceover, thumbnail creation, video editing, and SEO optimization for as little as $5 and as high as $1,000. But remember, you can do all this on your own because no one will be able to tell your story the way you do. This brings me to my last approach, the hybrid method. Mastering different skills with time and outsourcing to specialists that might be able to deliver a higher quality than what you can for now, because all it takes is one video. This brings me to a highly debated question. Is it quality or quantity that matters for a YouTube channel and start ranking in the views? While the majority of channels take years and a large count of videos to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm, this is all a result of content creators getting better and better with consistent effort and repetition. When the video starts attracting viewers, the video is usually well crafted and engages and retains the viewer. With that said, quality always wins. They are examples of channels posting their first thoughtfully executed video that led to monetization. There are also examples of channels that post once every 6 months and still manage to get millions of views because subscribers know when a video is posted by a particular creator, it will be high value content, and new viewers that see the videos stick around because they see value in it. You might be thinking, at this point, what is a high quality video? What is YouTube looking for? And the answer to that is very simple. No one knows how the algorithm works. All we can do is speculate by looking at patterns and listening to people that have done it for years and years, and with that, what better person to look at than the most successful creator on the platform, Jake Paul. Just kidding.
I think YouTube just wants people to click on a video and watch it, right? I mean, that's how they get their ad revenue. That's how they keep viewers happy and stuff like that. I mean, I'm sure comments, like stuff like that. But at the end of the day, they want you to click, watch the video, click, watch the video, and just do that as long as possible. So to me, what's important is click-through rate, getting people to click on your video, and then average view duration, average view percentage, or just relative retention, and having them watch it.
Mr. Beast has mentioned that videos tend to do well if they can retain the viewer for specifically 70% of the video. This percentage needs to be our target before we give up on the algorithm.
If people don't click, they don't watch, so you want to give them something to click.
We need to get people to click on the video. We were able to find a snippet of one of Mr. Beast's video analytics to get an understanding. The video had a 7% click-through rate, and that's pretty absurd number given the number of impressions that video had. So it's safe to assume that one should target that 10 to 20 range. Aside from these hard metrics, whatever you choose to do, make sure it's something that you find interesting, you enjoy doing, enjoy learning about, because remember, no one on YouTube is an expert at anything, but the most successful ones are the ones that have passion, curiosity for the things they share. We'll take this one step further and use this video as a test to confirm the above theories. We'll collectively see how far we'll go given its retention, click-through rate, and overall viewer engagement. I'll share the results with you all in 2 to 3 weeks time, so be sure to subscribe to follow along for the journey and comment to let me know your thoughts on quality versus quantity, as the first 3 months of revenue from this video will be going to 5 people that have supported by commenting and subscribing.